Welcome to Aziot Essence Projector Guide. Let's begin by unboxing the Aziot Essence Projector series. Inside the box, you will find the Aziot Essence Projector, power cord to connect to a power source, a remote control, please note, batteries are not included, and a user manual for setup and operation guidance. On the back side of the projector, you'll find a power port, a USB port, a headphone jack, an HDMI port, and the power button. First, connect the power cord to the power source. Then, switch on the power. You will notice a red LED light indicating that the projector is in standby mode. The projector can be turned on in two ways, by pressing the power button on the projector or by using the power button on the remote control. For the remote to work effectively, make sure you point it toward the projector's backside. Once powered on, the red LED light will turn blue. Now, adjust the projector position to achieve the desired screen projection. Turn off the lights and let the show begin. This is how your screen will look. For the best and clearest visuals, maintain a projection distance of 1.8 to 4 meters. Currently, our projector is placed at 4 meters, delivering a screen size of 130 inches. If the screen appears slightly blurry, adjust the focus wheel located at the front of the projector for better clarity. Once powered on, you will see various options on the home screen, including Netflix, YouTube, Google Play, applications, settings, files, and HDMI. To navigate, use the round D-pad on the remote control. Move up, down, left, or right using the directional buttons. The top right button is for mute. Below the power button is the setup button, which will directly take you to settings. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. Press the home button to return to the main screen. Adjust the sound using the volume controls. Press the mouse button to enable pointer mode, making navigation even easier. Let's check out the settings menu. The first option is Network, where you can connect the projector to the internet. The next option is Bluetooth, which allows you to connect the projector to external speakers for enhanced audio. The third option is Trapezoidal Correction. By default, the auto keystone option is turned on, automatically correcting any screen distortion due to uneven placement. However, some screen adjustments are disabled in this mode. To manually adjust the screen, turn off auto keystone. Once auto keystone is off, additional options like trapezoid and 2-point linkage become accessible. The projector mode enables multiple placement options. The desktop forward projection mode is the default setting where the projector is placed in front of the screen. The desktop rear projection mode flips the image horizontally for rear screen setups. The lifting forward projection mode is for ceiling-mounted setups in front of the screen. The lifting rear projection mode is used for high-end setups where the projector is mounted behind a screen, flipping the image both vertically and horizontally. Use the trapezoid option to manually adjust screen alignment with the D-pad. The 2-point linkage option also allows fine-tuned screen alignment. With the zoom option, you can adjust the screen size according to your preference. The reset option restores default settings. With Keystone Auto on, you get an additional feature called one-click calibration, which automatically adjusts all screen aspects with a single click. In the Applications section, you can browse pre-installed apps or download more from the Google Play Store. For screen casting, go to the Cast option, scan the QR code, and connect your device to the projector wirelessly. The Files section lets you browse external storage devices, such as USB drives, connected to the projector. Simply navigate to the Files option to access your content. The HDMI section allows you to connect the device via HDMI, such as laptops, gaming consoles, or streaming devices. Once everything is set up, let's check the visual and sound clarity. That concludes our installation and setup guide for the Aziot Essence Projector series. We hope this guide helps you easily set up and enjoy your projector. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Aziot.